I can take you to my car. I did not take anything at all.
That's fine. We're gonna go to your car.
Okay, come on.
Let me just check that other pocket.
Go ahead, sir. I did not take any glasses. I promise you.
You're on video taking.
Yeah, but I put the glasses back, sir.
Doesn't matter. You're on video taking. Where's?
On January 25th, 2025, officers in Naples, Florida responded to Coastland Center Mall after a Sunglass Hut employee flagged an active theft, and a 13-minute stop ended in a felony that had nothing to do with the sunglasses. Surveillance footage of Davis concealing merchandise gave officers reasonable, articulable suspicion before a word was spoken, and under Terry versus Ohio, that is all a lawful investigative detention requires.
Where's the open this bag?
There's nothing inside this bag at all. It's my stuff. Okay.
No, sir. We're gonna go out to the car.
Okay.
Let's see. Where are you parked over at?
I'm taking you. I don't really know the area. So.
All right, go out this way then. We're going out this way because I have another officer coming. Well, we can walk around here. Go out this way. Can you ask him if he'll sign a sworn statement for his license since we don't have him and see go press charges?
You're gonna have to walk this way.
Okay. What kind of car is it?
It's an Ultimate.
Can they meet you over here?
She's inside the mall. The car is open. I just said we could have walked that way.
I don't. You have ID on you, or you said it's in the car?
Yeah.
Where's the vehicle? In the parking garage?
They just searched all of my stuff. I don't have any glasses. Where you at? Oh, no, this means once I take glasses. I don't take no fucking glasses. So if I don't find no glasses, I can leave, right? Because I don't have any glasses.
No.
I'm the one on Charlie 60.
So,
I don't have any glasses.
you're on video putting the glasses in your jacket.
Glasses back,
They're not in the store.
yes, they are in the store. I put the glasses back.
So if they want to press charges, then they can press charges.
After you press charges, then I
That's for the glasses.
So that's the thing about it.
You're on video taking the glasses and walking out of the store with them.
I did not walk out the store with the glasses. Did you come out of it?
Going north on North Shore.
Where's your vehicle?
She moved the car.
Okay, come on in. Put your bags up there. You hang up the phone right now.
I'm gonna call you back.
Turn around.
Yeah, you can respond as well.
Put your phone up on my car.
Can I at least let you search the car and she's gonna come back around with the car?
Oh, back around.
I don't have
Is that you?
30 fuck you.
One second.
No, I'm saying, can I make a call to my girl and let her know what's going on at least so she can get my
Yeah, but I want to.
At all.
Just turn your hand inwards. There you go.
At least let me make a phone call to my grandmother.
Okay,
Please.
you can wait. You have anything on us that's going to focus, stick us, or
not
anything
at
like
all.
that? Okay.
Can I at least make a phone call, sir? I just want to let my grandmother know. Please.
I know what that is, so.
Yeah, I know what that is.
So you will be arrested for that alone.
Do you have anything?
Can I at least make a phone call, sir?
Yeah, why don't you make a phone call to whoever has the vehicle to come over here to get your ID? That's true.
Can I give you my name?
Yeah.
Can I just make a phone?
Do you want her to run?
At least so she can get my kids, please.
Can you look at her?
Keys?
My kids. They're at a friend house, please.
What's the first name?
JAVON
JAVON
SHAYE
SHAYE.
DAVIS.
He stopped me from Sunglass Hut. She took 2 pairs on video, put them in her pockets, walked directly out of the store, so she doesn't have them. So she probably met with someone passing by and handed them off. That's why one of the other girls was coming out of the vehicle. And we wanted to see what vehicle they were driving because she fits the same description that's been stealing Coach purses in the mall. But she also had the burglary device on her. So no matter what, I'll charge her with this.
It's other people from the two girls, the Texas twin.
Yeah, I don't know if that's part of it or not. I was trying to get. You said it was a what, Ford Edge or something, or a Ford Experience?
Volkswagen SUV. Four door. That's the three that I had last week. Run out of Mason. And that's the pictures.
It looks the same.
It looks like the same, right?
But she's saying she had a Altima. Yeah, the problem is she doesn't have ID, and I want her ID because she could be given anyone's name.
Do you think he'll let me make a call?
No, we don't.
Really?
That's not a thing, no. When you get to jail, if that's whatever decision they may take, that's when you make a phone call in there.
I'm talking about now so that I can have my grandmother pick up my kids, please.
What I'm trying to tell you is I'm not the officer, it's him. He already told you to wait, so you have to wait for him, okay?
Okay. Well, what is it? They want to press charges. Okay.
Maybe they don't, you know how they are. So if they don't, there's nothing to do. So, I'm just doing this just in case.
Yeah, get it over with.
You heard the one in Sector 1?
Yeah.
That was wild.
I know, I didn't know which way to go. I was like, if he's left from Gulf Shore, should I go to that? Or?
I had the other guys come here, they were going to take it from me, but then the other one came out and the guy hit him, some with girls.
So, let me see.
They've been doing this for weeks.
You know, Pink usually presses charges. My ID? It's 305. You put me in as deputy? No. We're not the county. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I know.
There's a 5L4.
Hey, it's you.
Yeah.
What's going on?
What? You're so nice.
Yeah.
And I was sitting this way, and then they had that other thing, so I couldn't ask you questions.
That's fine.
So,
Yeah, hold on one second. Can you guys send someone to Pink for me?
Pink?
Or Louis, or what is it?
Yeah.
Victoria's Secret, I guess. And see,
She had no receipts?
Davis consented to a bag search. Under Schneckloth versus Bustamante, voluntary consent makes a warrantless search constitutionally valid. The bag came up empty. But an empty bag after observed concealment is consistent with a handoff, not a clearance. Davis told officers a surgical scar made the cuffs painful. The officer cited standard policy, 1 finger of clearance without inspecting or documenting the complaint, and under Graham versus Connor, that is not a sufficient response to a specific, articulated medical concern. Florida Statute 901.25 places the right to a phone call after booking, not during field processing, denying Davis's request to contact her grandmother before transport was legally defensible, if tactically unnecessary. The magnetic tag remover, found on Davis, made this a felony stop, independent of the sunglasses. Florida Statute 810.06 makes possession of any instrument intended to defeat a retail security device a third-degree felony. A magnetic tag remover has no lawful purpose for a shopper, and courts treat possession in a retail setting as sufficient to infer intent, no act of use required, no stolen merchandise required. Retail theft under Florida Statute 812.014 is complete at concealment, with intent to deprive the merchant, Davis admitted, placing the glasses in her jacket, and the fact that she returned them does not reset that element. The burglary tools count carries up to 5 years state prison as a third-degree felony, not county jail, and for a first-time offender in Collier County, the realistic outcome is probation with adjudication withheld, meaning no conviction enters the permanent record if probation is completed.
Oh, she said so.
Yeah, she tried to pop it off. So, can you see if she will?
Is she paid for it?
Well, no, she has no receipt of it.
Oh, okay.
So let me photograph those real quick first, and then if you can see if they want to press charges. If they do, just let us know. We'll send an officer in there to do a sworn statement. But I don't know if this is the only thing. She could have taken a lot more stuff, but. Yeah, no. Well, that's what I'm thinking. As soon as they left Sunglass Hut, they probably did a side swipe. So she's not calling the product. And he got me immediately. I was having to be right there.
We don't know yet if they're gonna press charges.
Well, I have her anyway for a burglary device.
From Sunglass Hut.
Oh,
So she had this on her anyway. So I'll get her for that.
it's like anti-shoplifting device.
Yeah, just pop the magnets off.
You had that on?
Yeah, that was in her pocket. She said she didn't know what it was. Then out here, she said she did know what it was.
Can you read about it?
Yep. This is from Nike, but what is it?
Come on, it's automatic. It didn't.
Yeah. But there's no price tag on it, so she ripped the price tag off of them. I'm assuming you get out of, that's what I think it is.
Anti-shoplifting device is
What all it does
like
is,
a catch-all.
it is a heavy magnet just to pop it off.
Just say that. Anti-shoplifting, you know.
Did you send someone already?
No, I mean,
Oh, yeah.
Number is gonna be
What's that?
207.
all right, coming back.
Thank you, sir. What's that?
Do we need a proper receipt this side?
Yeah, because I have hard evidence.
Do you got any proper receipts available? If not, I got to get in there.
I mean, I could do that. I could do that at the station. I can do it at the station.
You're gonna take it? You gonna steal some?
I don't know. Shitfish always calls me, and I have to take it when I'm on the road. But no, but
Yeah, it's usually because you're.
I'm here. But
You would know that.
yeah, they made me come in early.
See, you were in about getting out of 5.
No, I messed up and came in the wrong time. I wish to press charges.
On behalf of Bustamante,
You don't even have to do that. Just I wish to press charges.
she's being trespassed.
Yeah, she'll be trespassed from the mall.
31.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Yep. What I'm going to do is just sign this real quick, and then if you want a photo of this for yourself real fast,
Yeah, I can do it.
this way you have the case number and stuff on it.
Did you reach out to the original phone central fellow?
And my information will then be on it. So yeah, it's going to be theft, burglary, device. Yeah, two counts of theft.
So theft, sorry for theft, because
Yeah, it's retail theft, and burglary device.
The officer gets a B+. The detention was lawful, consent properly obtained, the device charged as a standalone felony, and the sworn statement secured on scene. Not documenting the handcuff complaint after Davis described a surgical scar is what separates this from an A. Davis gets a C+, she cooperated, did not resist, and stayed composed throughout. Every explanation she volunteered about returning the glasses or not recognizing the device handed the prosecution usable material, and the Fifth Amendment was available from the first moment of contact. Concealing merchandise completes the theft in Florida. Returning the item is not a legal reset, and Davis's admission that she placed the glasses in her jacket satisfied the concealment element before she ever put them back. A booster device is a standalone felony with no recovered merchandise required. Once detained, invoking the right to silence before any explanation is the only move that costs nothing and protects everything. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like covered in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.
Can you roll the window down real quick? Is that your friend that has the car?
No, that's my cousin.
Okay.
Can I please call my grandmother? I just want to let her know to get my kids, please.
Yeah, you gotta wait.
Could you loosen the cuffs for me?
No, they have one finger in between. They don't get any looser than that.
Do you take any medications or anything?
No. Ma'am, I really need the cuffs loosened, please.
I'll let him know. He already told you. If there's a finger in the middle, there's not much we can do.
But if you look at it, if you look at my wrist, it's a long big cut on my wrist.
Do you take any drugs?
No, I don't.
Have you made any suicidal statements?
No.
Do you have any hallucinations?
Huh?
Do you have any hallucinations?
No. Sir, could you please loosen the cuffs? If you look at my wrist, you'll see them. Please, could you please loosen the cuffs for me?
No. Policy's one finger in between, and that's.
But if you look at my wrist, you can tell that it's a bit. I had surgery on my wrist. It's a really big long cut on my wrist.
Yeah,
It goes from my wrist to my wrist.
With the proper spacing in between.
But I can't even move my wrist at all. It's sitting right onto my bones.
No, they're handcuffs.
Any drugs or weapons on you, ma'am?
78 they're doing a big one.